Hey everyone, my name is Alex. I live in Hangzhou, China. Today I'd like to introduce you to a special Chinese man named Yunpeng Guo. He can do many amazing things with his body, which he claims is beyond modern cognitive science, and maybe even supernatural.
We know that the human body has 8 systems, including respiratory system, nervous system, motion system, etc.
Thus far, this is common knowledge, but apparently Guo has developed another new movement system only after a year of experimenting and training, which can potentially replace our present movement system. Nowadays, many researchers are studying the human body. There is one study focusing on extending lifespan to more than 300 years via experimenting on animal cells and genes. According to Guo, these experiment methods may be misleading. He claims that the most significant way to greatly improve the quality of life and extend human lifespan is to develop this new movement system. Guo believes that if scientists focus on doing research and gathering more information on this new movement system, a systematic approach to develop a new area of human potential can be created. Eventually, the dream of living more than 300 years will no longer be a dream. Let's listen to what Mr. Guo has to say. Hello, my name is Yunpeng Guo. I'm a nationally registered supervision engineer. I turned 44 this year. When I was 38, I began to learn about traditional Chinese fitness practices just to keep healthy. Throughout my study, using my knowledge of mechanics, I was able to explore new aspects of these traditional methods. After more than 1 year of training, I was able to develop a new movement system in the human body. It's common knowledge that there are 8 systems in the human body. Present understanding states that human beings use muscle contraction to complete a movement. It's also known that if the body is completely relaxed and the muscles aren't used, the body will break down, and the capacity to move may eventually be lost. But with this new movement system, I'm able to do the opposite. When my body is in complete relaxation, I can complete a movement without muscle contraction. This is the basic idea of the new movement system. Although it sounds unbelievable, with current scientific equipment, verifying this new movement system is actually simple.
Tests can be conducted in hospitals or athletic research institutes to verify this new movement system.
However, due to Chinese government policies, institutes are not allowed to do this test on people. Despite having tried for 3 years, there still isn't a public test report. The goal of this video today is to share these facts with the world and hopefully lead to fair scientific testing. Presently, scientists in developed countries are studying how to extend human lifespan and improve the quality of life. Through testing of this new movement system, scientists can gather data that can be put towards further development. I believe in the near future, this new movement system can bring great benefits to human beings. To explain this new system, this video has 3 parts. The first part will introduce the basic principle of the new movement system and what makes it different. The second part will discuss the characteristics of the system and also explain why it's called a longevity system. The third part will focus on the equipment that can be used to test this new movement system.